Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD program admission autumn semester 23-24 in IIT Bhubaneswar. So they have given notification for PhD program. There are admission in different category. First one institute PhD scholar, second sponsored PhD scholar. In a sponsored PhD scholar, there are four subcategory. First one is sponsored by external organization, sponsored by Government of India fellowship, sponsored by research project under IIT Bhubaneswar, project RH Tupkari fellowship, and third one joint MSc PhD students of uh, IIT Bhubaneswar. Online application already started from 17th March and last date is 17th April 2023. Here you can for different departments like science or engineering. In School of Basic Sciences, you can apply for bioscience, then chemistry, then physics, mathematics. Second, for a School of Earth, Ocean and Climate Sciences, you can apply for atmosphere and ocean sciences, geology. Then School of Electrical Sciences, you can apply for computer science, electronics communication, electrical engineering. In a School of Humanity, Social Sciences and Management, you can apply for economics, English, psychology, philosophy. In a School of Infrastructure, Civil Engineering, you can apply for water resources engineering, structural, geotech, transportation, environmental. In Mechanical Sciences, you can apply for mechanical engineering. A School of Mineral Metallurgy and Material Engineering, you can apply for this mineral metallurgy and material engineering. Minimum eligibility criteria for application is an interested candidate meeting the below listed category wise minimum eligibility criteria may apply for PhD program. Minimum eligibility criteria don't guarantee either shortlisting or selection for admission. Application not meeting minimum eligibility criteria will be rejected without any intimation, and application fee will not be refunded. So before applying, you have to be careful that you are fulfilling minimum eligibility criteria, otherwise your application will be shortlisted. The minimum eligibility criteria refers to minimum academic qualification to be made by the applicant at the time of applying for admission. Means what marks you have secured, and that marks come in that category or not, you have to first check and then you will apply. Relaxation of 5% will be given to only SC, ST and PWD candidate, our general category as per Government of India guidelines. Candidate possessing the minimum eligibility criteria are eligible to receive institute research assistantship or UGC, CSI or NET, JRF or any other doctoral fellowship offered by Government of India. Category 1, for institute PhD scholars, they will get institute research assistantship sanctioned by Ministry of Education and offered through institute. For that, all engineering schools, you must have MEM Tech with 60% marks, or if you have along with that you have must qualified gate, that is qualified gate, but valid gate score is not mandatory. Your MTech admission must be based on your gate score. Or if you are applying directly after BE Tech, then you must have 70% marks or 7.5 CGPA and must have valid gate score. Minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA required in all other examination from class 10 onwards. In single relaxation up to 5% marks in secondary or higher secondary or equivalent is permitted. For Humanity and Social Sciences, minimum 55% marks or 6 CGPA in master degree in appropriate humanity and social sciences discipline. Minimum 55% marks or 6 CGPA required in all other examination from class 10 onwards, and single relaxation of 5% can be applied for secondary, higher secondary or bachelor or equivalent. You must have GATE or CSIR UGC NET qualified in appropriate discipline also. For a school of basic sciences, minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA in masters, minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA in all other examination also from class 10 onwards. Same, a single relaxation can be applied in any degree, and you must have GATE or CSI or UGC NET qualified in appropriate discipline. For School of Earth, Ocean and Climate Sciences, minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA required in masters, or if you are applying after BE Tech directly, then must have 70% marks or 7.5 CGPA. Minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA required in all other examination also from class 10 onwards. Single relaxation can be applied of 5%. Candidate must be GATE or CSI or UGC NET qualified in appropriate discipline. GATE NET discipline for PhD admission. These are the discipline for School of Humanity, Social Sciences and Management. If you have scores in these: economics, English, psychology, philosophy, in GATE discipline, then you can apply UGC, CSI or NET. They are conducting exams for economics, English, psychology or philosophy. If you have these scores in these subjects, then you can apply. For a School of Electrical Sciences also, for GATE already conducting in these branches: electrical engineering, instrumentation, computer science and engineering, or computer science and information sciences, electronics communication. In electronics and communication, there are three types: electronics communication engineering, then instrumentation engineering, electrical engineering. For a School of Earth, Ocean and Climate Sciences, GATE already conducting in this discipline like geology, or if you have atmosphere and ocean sciences, then also you can apply in this. Means earth or atmospheric, ocean and planetary sciences, physical sciences, mathematical sciences. NET is also conducting. So if you have these scores, then you can apply. So you take the screenshot and apply according to that. Sponsored Government of India Doctor Fellowship means if you have CSIR, UGC, DST Inspire or DBT, IC, MR scores, then you can apply under this category. If you are working in any JRF type project work, then also you can apply. Application fee 500 for general EWS and OBC candidate. For ACST it is 250. Date already I have told you. So you apply if you have enough time. So you start applying. For starting, how you have to apply: if you are new candidate, then you have to click here for new registration, or if you are earlier applied, then you have to go to click here to log in. After that, fill the application form and pay the fee. You have better opportunity. Thank you.